The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Hey there friends. Today, me Taranjot kaur of class +1 is going to discuss about what are sets and their representation by taking the help of daily life examples. Let's get started without wasting much more time. Sets are by far the most simplest topic in mathematics. We just have to tackle three simple questions about sets. First, what are sets? Why do we need sets? And third one, how to represent them. Let's get started. Let's discuss about the first question, what are sets? Sets are simply the collection of the objects. Suppose if you were told to make the list of all the things that you can see, you must not mention all but some of these. A tree, a cell phone, a puppy, people, and so on. And what if you were said to make the list of all the things that you cannot see? Of course, you must write oxygen, heat, and so on. Yes, a set is a collection of elements, but they must be related with each other in some way. Now let's look at few more examples to understand better. Now let's try to make the list of all the cricket playing nations. I would have probably said India, England, Australia, Pakistan, and so on. Now, let's try to group all the oceans in the world. We all know that there are 5 oceans in the world. The first one is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Now, here is an interesting question. Can we make the set of all the questions that you are asked for? The answer is no. What if we were set to make the set of all the good teachers? The answer may be no, the set can't be made because my idea of good tutor would be separately different from your idea of good tutor. Secondly, if we were set to make the list of all these intelligent students in the class and to make the set, the answer may be no, the set can't be made because my choice can be different from your choice. Secondly, this shows that the set should be related whereas well defined. How to name a set? Let's consider a set of first 3 natural numbers and name the set as A. Remember, the set should be named with the capital letter. The capital letters are also known as uppercase letters. Another most important thing about sets is the order in which it is to be written does not matter. The set of first 3 natural numbers can also be written as 3, 1, 2 inside a curly bracket. Though the order does not matter, it's a good practice to write elements in ascending or in descending order. But what if you were asked to write the set of all vowels? We can name the set as capital V. We can write the whole set as A, E, I, O, U inside a curly bracket. The other most important thing to know is if the set contains letter as its element, we preferably write them as lowercase letters. And the name of the set is always written using capital letters. Now let's try to write this set in set builder form. We can write the set in set builder form such that V is equal to such that X is a vowel of English alphabets. It's another misunderstood fact that A, B, C, D, E are alphabets, but that's not correct. A is a letter, B also is a letter, and so is C. 26 letters in the English alphabet. That's the correct terminology. The entire set A to Z forms the English alphabet. If someone tells you that the set contains alphabets A, B, C, it means that you are taught wrong. Now well advised on the correctness of this statement. Let's get started with the representation of sets. The first method is listing roster or tabular form in which the set is to be written inside curly brackets with paused commas. Another method for the representation of set, which is first 3 natural numbers, is set builder form. It is written as set of all x such that x is less than 4 and x belongs to the group of all natural numbers. You all will be thinking about the question in your heads that the listing method is a far simpler method than the set builder form. But you will soon see that this is a very powerful way to write a set. Now let's just understand what does this actually means. We will discuss it in detail part by part. The brackets have the same meaning. It tells that what is written inside it is a set. Now the next part is important. We have the variable here. We have named it x, but you can name it anything. So now an example, this can be read as all x. The colon means such that. This is the first new thing we learned here. A colon means such that. So this part is read as set of all x such that. Means that we have few conditions coming up. Here we can see two conditions separated by comma. This one and this one. This equation is simple. It says x is less than 4. We have this condition since we are asked for set of first three natural numbers. This condition is not simple. Natural number can be any natural number less than 4 or it can be negative integer. Whereas second condition precisely states that x belongs to n, whereas n is group of all natural numbers. It means x belongs to natural numbers. It will make the more sense if we read the whole thing aloud. It will read as set of all x such that x is less than 4, x belongs to all natural numbers. This method is known as set builder method. This method was a bit difficult, but the next method is very pleasing to the eye. Here in the third method, we just have to draw a circle and write all the elements inside it. Simply, we draw a circle and write all the elements 1, 2, 3 inside it. And we name this method as Venn diagram. The entire set is represented within a circle. No method is good or bad. All the methods have their pros and cons. It all depends upon us on which type of set we are looking at. I thanks you all to listen me thoroughly. Thank you.